We've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything there is. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we've made, and I'm so glad I've stayed right there with you through the years. Remember when I used to do who I trusted you, I listened to before. I swear, told me everything I know. Can't imagine letting someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away as long as it's okay. I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right there with you. Through the years, I've never had a doubt. With all these things out, I've learned what life's about. I'm loving you through the never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away as long as it's okay. I'll stay with you.
Promise, ikaw yung matagal kong nakasama dito sa Saudi Arabia. Mananatili ka talaga sa aking alaala. Bumalik man tayo ng Pilipinas. Kasi ikaw lang talaga yung isa at huli kong napuntahan. Napakasaya dito, namulat yung aking isipan kung paano makisama, kung paano makihalubilo sa ibang tao, ibang lahi. Ito talaga yung maraming pagsubok na dumaan sa buhay ko. Talaga, salamat sa iyo, Damam. Nasa sa iyo talaga. Kung talagang yun nga ang kasabihan na kung pupunta ka sa ibang lugar, dala mo yung pakikisama mo, yung tiyaga mo, yung pakikisama mo sa kapwa mo, hindi lang sa Pilipino, sa ibang lahi. Hindi ko matapos isipin na ito yung mapupuntahan ko, yung matututo akong makisalamuha kung sa atin, ano lang eh, tatlong bagay lang ako. Simbahan, school, at saka bahay. Ito, isang lugar lang, pero lahat siguro naranasan ko dito. Salamat sa iyo, Damam. Mananatili ka lagi sa aking alaala.